Hi, my name is Jen McCord, and I am doing my career profile on being a guidance counselor. The organization that I looked into is called Paynesville Local School District. The position is at their elementary school, which is called Elm Street Elementary School. In this position, the working environment would be pretty large since it involves a school district. Typical work hours are school hours plus some extra hours for meetings and career training that the school district holds. This position is not very flexible, but you could find some flexibility if you're not working in a traditional public school. Right now, the big thing is online public schools, and if you're looking for more flexibility, that might be a good place to look. Working for a school district is very family friendly due to the population that they handle. Some of the typical stressors is knowing how to help the student. Each child is different. You will have to work with some kids that have behavioral issues. They might have aggression issues. They might have ADHD. They might have anxiety. You will also come in contact with some students that have some really heavy issues at home or even at school that you will have to help them deal with. Some of the typical benefits that you have working in a public school system is that you will get medical, dental, and vision benefits. Some school districts offer gym memberships as a benefit as well. The school district that we live under, that my kids go to, they offer gym membership, and the gym is actually connected to the high school, so that is really accessible for them. Some of the common job tasks in this position is that you would assist students with academic goals, social, personal development, and career development. Career development, you wouldn't work as much with elementary school students, but you can still have a positive influence in helping them dream about what they want to be. And you should really make it a positive experience for the students to be there at school. Sometimes that's their only real positive experience. You must also discuss concerns that you might have with staff and families. Some of these concerns might be students missing class, being tardy, trying to figure out why these things are happening. Another thing is to help students better understand themselves and others through group activities. You will go into the classroom a lot to make sure students are getting along with one another. There aren't any bullying issues that you can see. Another big thing about this job is that you will help students transition to middle school. This is if you're working in an elementary school. Is that you'll help the students transition, pick out their schedules, see what classes will be best for them, see what core classes that they need. Are they in regular classes? Do they need honors? Do they need a little extra help? And help pick out what they need help with. Some of the educational requirements. So this is for I live in the state of Ohio, so this is what you need to do if you were to live in my state. You have two options to become a school guidance counselor. The first option is for those who do not have any teaching experience. First, you would earn a bachelor's degree in counseling, psychology, or a related subject. Then you would complete a master's degree program in counseling and a 600-hour internship. The last thing you must do is to take the Practice 2 specialty area test for school counseling. After that, you must complete a 1-year induction under the supervision of a licensed school counselor. And then the second option are for those that have at least 2 years of teaching experience. They will get a master's degree in school counseling. They will take the Practice 2 specialty area test for school counseling. But the thing about this is that they will not have to do the 1-year induction. They can go straight into being a school guidance counselor. As far as salary goes, the starting salary for a guidance counselor here in Ohio is $35,000. The middle range is about $55,000, and excuse me. And then if you're experienced, your salary is going to be $85,000. Most people who become guidance counselors, they have already had a few years of teaching, so they usually start closer to the median salary, so around $55,000, due to their experience. Excuse me. And the last thing I wanted to say is the job duties as a guidance counselor really varies depending on the grade level that you're dealing with. The issues are so different from elementary school, middle school, and high school. So if this is a career you're looking into, you have to decide what age group you really want to look into and where you think you would be the best fit. Thanks. Bye.